The biggest myth about high-mileage oil is one that has been selling millions of extra bottles of special formula every year. And the guys who fall for it end up either spending money they didn't need to spend, or worse, making a switch at the wrong time that disrupts the internal condition of an engine that was actually doing fine. If you drive a truck with over 75,000 miles, and you've been wondering whether to switch to a high-mileage formula, or if you already switched because someone told you it was time, you need to understand what high-mileage oil actually does and what the myth gets completely wrong. The myth is this: switching to high-mileage oil will clean out sludge and deposits from your engine and leave it running like new. I hear this framing in every form. It cleans out all the gunk. It flushes the bad stuff out. It's like a reset for your engine.
This belief is partly based on a misunderstanding of what detergents and seal conditioners do inside an engine, and partly on marketing language that intentionally leaves the impression that a bottle of high-mileage oil performs something close to a full engine cleaning. Here's what high-mileage oil actually does. High-mileage formulations contain two things that standard synthetics typically don't include in the same concentrations. First, seal conditioners. Chemicals that interact with the aging rubber seals, valve stem seals, and gaskets in a high-mileage engine, helping them maintain or recover some of their original pliability. When seals shrink and harden with age and heat cycling, they can allow minor oil seepage that shows up as small oil spots under the truck, or oil consumption between changes. The seal conditioners in a high-mileage formula help address this specific problem. Second, enhanced detergent and dispersant additives that are more aggressive in cleaning and suspending the accumulation of varnish and minor deposits on engine surfaces. More aggressive than standard full synthetic, but not a chemical blast that dislodges everything at once. Here's where the myth creates a real problem. If you have a high-mileage engine that has been running regular full synthetic on a consistent change schedule, and the internal condition is actually quite good, clean oil passages, minimal deposit buildup, switching to a high-mileage oil adds little benefit and no harm. That's fine. But if you have a high-mileage engine that has significant sludge buildup, the owner stretched changes, ran cheap oil, or had oil consumption issues for years, and you pour in a high-mileage formula expecting it to clean everything out, what can actually happen is that the enhanced detergents begin dislodging accumulated deposits faster than the oil filter can catch them. Large dislodged sludge particles can clog the oil pickup screen, restrict flow to the oil pump, and cause oil pressure loss at exactly the moment the cleaning process is working hardest. This is the scenario where well-intentioned maintenance causes the oil pressure warning light to come on in a truck that was running fine before. The correct protocol for a genuinely sludge-laden high-mileage engine is not to dump in a high-mileage formula and drive. It's a staged process. Change the oil with a quality full synthetic. Drive 5,000 miles. Change again. Drive 5,000 more miles. Repeat until the drained oil comes out relatively clean. This gradual approach lets the detergents work without dislodging accumulated deposits all at once. After 2 or 3 cycles of this, a high-mileage formula for its seal conditioning benefits makes sense. What high-mileage oil is actually appropriate for is an engine that's been well maintained, is showing minor symptoms of age, minor seeping at gasket surfaces, minor oil consumption, minor wear on internal surfaces, but is not a candidate for major engine work. For that engine, the seal conditioners and enhanced anti-wear chemistry in a quality high-mileage synthetic like Valvoline Max Life or Mobil 1 high-mileage full synthetic are doing exactly what they're marketed to do, and doing it well. For that engine, at 100 to 150,000 miles that's been maintained properly, switch to high mileage at 75,000 miles as a preventive step. Use it on the regular change schedule, and let it do its quiet work on your seals and valve stems before the symptoms get worse.
For a Ram 1500 or Silverado owner, at 130,000 miles with no seeping, no consumption, clean oil on the dipstick, and a truck that starts and runs without issues, a quality standard full synthetic is protecting your engine just fine. The high mileage formula is not going to hurt you, but it's not providing benefits you urgently need either. Stay on schedule, check your level monthly, and switch if symptoms appear. Check the description. I've linked the high-mileage synthetics I recommend for common high-mileage truck engines in the right viscosities. Next time, I'm covering the cars and trucks that are genuinely unstoppable past 300,000 miles, the specific makes, models, and engines that mechanics know by reputation because we see them come through the shop at impossible mileage and keep going. Take care of your engine. It's the only one you've got. I'll see you next time.